High throughput and low latency. Simplified installation. No need to open chassis. Supports hot plug. Becomes more popular and widely adopted by major players. Leveraging multiple interfaces can effectively mitigate server downtime due to single interface failures, enhancing overall system resilience. The ability to transmit data across several channels concurrently bolsters both efficiency and stability. Recognizing servers as the bedrock of future technological advancements in diverse fields underscores their significance. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, big data technology, blockchain. Medical field. High-performance computing. The server network adapter, a critical component within the server infrastructure, furnishes robust network connectivity. This ensures real-time, uninterrupted user access to server resources, reinforcing its pivotal role in modern computing environments. ST Lab is a professional supplier of server network adapters.